New coronavirus cases leapt in Oklahoma in the week ending Sunday, rising 78.5% as 3,925 cases were reported. The previous week had 2,199 new cases of the virus that causes COVID-19. Oklahoma ranked 9th among the states where coronavirus was spreading the fastest on a per-person basis, a USA Today network analysis of Johns Hopkins University data shows. In the latest week, coronavirus cases in the United States increased 66% from the week before, with 226,012 cases reported. With 1.19% of the country's population, Oklahoma had 1.74% of the country's cases in the last week. Across the country, 50 states had more cases in the latest week than they did in the week before. Many places did not report cases and deaths around the 4th of July, which would shift those cases into the following week and make week-to-week comparisons inaccurate. Carter County reported 50 cases and 1 death in the latest week. A week earlier, it had reported 37 cases and 1 death. Throughout the pandemic, it has reported 6,424 cases and 131 deaths. Within Oklahoma, the worst weekly outbreaks on a per-person basis were in Cimarron, Ottawa and Adair counties. Adding the most new cases overall were Tulsa County, with 613 cases, Oklahoma County, with 314 cases, and Cleveland County, with 149. Weekly case counts rose in 45 counties from the previous week. The worst increases from the prior week's pace were in Tulsa, Oklahoma and Rogers counties. Greater than see how your community has fared with recent coronavirus cases. Oklahoma ranked 39th among states in share of people receiving at least one shot, with 46.2% of its residents at least partially vaccinated. The national rate is 56%, a USA Today analysis of CDC data shows. The Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, which are the most used in the United States, require 2 doses administered a few weeks apart. In the week ending Sunday, Oklahoma reported administering another 39,741 vaccine doses, including 23,910 first doses. In the previous week, the state administered 32,262 vaccine doses, including 17,628 first doses. In all, Oklahoma reported it has administered 3,363,907 total doses. Across Oklahoma, cases fell in 18 counties, with the best declines in Comanche, Pittsburg and Ottawa counties. In Oklahoma, 11 people were reported dead of COVID-19 in the week ending Sunday. In the week before that, 18 people were reported dead. A total of 464,607 people in Oklahoma have tested positive for the coronavirus since the pandemic began, and 7,417 people have died from the disease, Johns Hopkins University data shows. In the United States, 34,079,960 people have tested positive and 609,019 people have died. Greater than track coronavirus cases across the United States.